Welcome to the Two Guys Kitchen, where two guys cook simple foods, just for fun.
Welcome back to the Two Guys Kitchen. I'm Max, and today we're doing a Smashburger. Smashburger is a very thin hamburger that cooks very quickly on the grill. We're using the Blackstone flat top grill today. We're using some Montreal seasoning, and that's basically all we're doing on the Smashburger. So let's go. We start with the onions and tomatoes. A pro tip, use the best cheddar you can find and have it sliced thin. Put the seasoning down on the wax paper. When you smash the burger onto the seasoning, one side is well covered. Smash the burger down and flatten the edges. Don't forget to make a thumbprint. It helps distribute the heat. Your grill should be about 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and there's no need to put down oil because you're using an 80-20 mix on your beef. Butter the buns for extra flavor. Flip the patties when the edges get slightly browned. Add the cheese immediately after you've flipped them. Make sure you check the buns. They'll burn very quickly. Let them cook until the cheese melts, and that's usually more than enough. Dress the burger how you like. Maybe a little less lettuce than we used. Okay, that finishes up today's video on making a Smashburger. We went through each one of the steps, and hopefully when you look at it, you'll understand everything we did, and you'll also want to go down and hit our subscribe button and even hit the bell. That way you'll know each time that we put a new video out. Have a good day.